Good morning, good learning everyone! This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. Ang topic po natin today ay kung ano ang mga requirements for your bank loan. Kung kayo ay doubtful, kung kayo ay ma-approve sa bank, meron po akong separate video for that. Panoorin nyo po ng buo yun para sure na ma-approve kayo sa bank. Sa pag-apply po ng bank loan, may mga requirements din na manggagaling kay seller at manggagaling kay buyer. Ito po ang mga common requirements na kailangan po natin kay seller. Number 1, photocopy of the title. Photocopy of the tax declaration. Authority to conduct verification for the property. Lot plan, tax map, or vicinity map. Valid IDs ng seller na hindi expired. Current realty property tax payment or kung meron pong tax clearance. Then yung other requirements naman po, manggagaling po ito kay buyer. Kung kayo ay regular employee, kailangan po ng 2 government valid ID po. Appraisal fee payment, pero kung nakataya po ang project, to follow na lang po ang appraisal fee. Number 3, marriage contract if married. Pag single naman po, kailangan po ng birth certificate and certificate of no marriage. Number 4, sign loan application. Number 5, SPA po kung ang borrower ay nasa abroad or malayo po. Number 6, certificate of employment with compensation. 7, authorization to conduct verification sa kanilang mga bank accounts. Number 8, 3 months payslip po. Number 9, 6 months bank statement. Then, kung kayo po ay business or self-employed, ang requirements po, number 1, 2 valid or government IDs. Number 2, appraisal fee payment. Number 3, marriage contract if married. If single po, kailangan po ng birth certificate and certificate of no marriage or CENOMAR. Number 4, signed loan application. Number 5, authorization po na mag-verify po ng mga bank accounts nila. Number 6, DTI or SEC registration po. Number 7, articles of incorporation, bylaws with SEC registration certificate and latest general information sheet. Number 8, financial statement and income statement for the past 3 years. Number 9, photocopy of your income tax return for the past 3 years. Then number 10, 3 to 5 trade references. Ito po yung mga names, contact number, and address po ng suppliers nila at kanilang customers. Lastly, pag tayo na-approve na po sa ating bank loan, meron po tayong mga babayaran na fees sa ating bank loan. Madali lang naman po magpa-approve sa bank. Pero bago po sila magbayad ng reservation fee, maigi ay panoorin mo ang aking isang video kung paano mo malalaman kung kayo ma-approve sa bank loan. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, please type yes sa comment section below. Pasuyin na rin po, paki-like, follow, and share po ang ating mga social media platforms. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless sa inyong lahat.